Global citizenship model. I'm going to talk about the concepts of global citizenship. According to Israel, concepts are developing world community to which people can identify, community that has a set of values and practices, and everyone is part of the worldwide community. While according to Ration and Katarska, it's embracing cultural diversity while promoting social justice, coupled with responsibility to act. Now we're going to talk about who is a global citizen. Global citizen is someone who is aware of and understands the wider world, and someone who have to create rights and obligations, someone who have a sense of belonging to world community, and according to Oxfam, global citizen is someone who respects and value diversity.
Hi, my name is Emma Benitez Fujira. I'm going to talk about the positive and the negative effects of this model according to how Angela Merkel applied it in Germany and even the applicability of this model. So talking about the positive and negative effects of this model, the positive effects are diverse community because the refugees who went in Germany, increasing of workers and competition in the workplace because of people who came in the country and found jobs. The competition increased, even the workers. Increase in the economy due to social taxes and contribution contributed by the people, the local people, even the new people in the country. Increase in culture awareness since the new refugees were able to share their culture with the Germans. Development of new skills as a global citizen. The people were able to visualize problems in terms of other countries or visualize them as they can affect both countries. The last point is that there has been an increase in technology and education because of the new skills people brought to the country. Technology exchange increased. Talking about the negative effects, one of the negative effects is that there has been increase in social and political conflicts as people from Germany did want any refugee to come in the country. So this has led to increase in social conflicts and political conflicts. Another one is that there has been an increase in resource competition. That is in terms of food, wealth, health, energy, and water, which also led to overpopulation of people because of the new people who came in the country. People's rate increased. Another point is that there has been cultural deterioration because of the exchange of the culture. Some cultural practices deteriorated or decreased. Another one, as some decision may not be favorable to all countries. Angela Merkel applying this global citizen in Germany, it has led to effects in the country in terms of overpopulation, cultural deterioration, employment, and etc. Talking about the applicability of this model, we think that without this model, there is no awareness between self and others, which is very important because we need to be aware of ourselves and others so that we can know how we can contribute to the world. Also, without this model, without these global citizens, increase in political and social conflicts such as wars would increase because people would not be able to find connection between themselves and the others from other countries. So war and conflicts might increase. Some international bodies such as UN, UNICEF, WHO, which protect the people of the world wouldn't exist because of the non-existence of this model. So having this model, people are able to come together and fight for the people in this for and fight for other people in this world. Global citizen, Global citizens act as connection bodies among people. So without them, we won't be able to achieve UN sustainable goals such as environmental protection, end of poverty, and etc. Also, without these global citizens, some people would not be able to speak for themselves because global citizens act as a voice for those who don't have it. So for them to speak for us, they speak our rights, they advocate for peace in the country. For example, let's take an example as Angela Merkel spoke for refugees who had no home and found a way to bring them in the country. This is one of the best global citizen as she identified a problem in the world, specifically a refugee in Syria, and helped them to find a home. Thank you so much.